3. Looking back in those sky warm weather right now, guys. While watching the radar right now, guys. And yeah. So out there, we have a thunderstorm warning to Texas. Texas, just you right here, guys. Watch your radar right there. Watch the place of like a storm, thunderstorms, watching and all that, guys. This one, Mississippi. Yeah, under the Mississippi, New York, right there, guys. Oliver got Jackson, and go miss you. Over there, JGA. Go miss you and CS. Got thunderstorms over there, guys. So yeah, like this video. Give me 3 thumbs up. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.